Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can get a $15 no deposit bonus that you can get and start trading with. Alright, so you watch this video carefully. By the end you'll be able to get this particular bonus. All you just have to do is to watch this video carefully and patiently. As you can see, I've been able to get mine. As you can see right here, it shows already claimed. Alright, and right here I'm going to walk you through the steps that you are going to use to get here so that you can be able to trade with it. And this requires you no deposit at all before you can be able to withdraw. You can withdraw without any deposit. All right, and I'll also be talking about the terms and conditions for you to be able to get this particular no deposit bonus to your advantage. All right, now I want you to know that this particular no deposit bonus, once you get it, it is only valid for 15 days. As you can see right here, only valid for 15 days. All right, so that is why I'm making this video right now, so that you guys can be able to get it as soon as possible. So without any further ado, let's just dive right into how you can get this particular bonus to your advantage. So the first thing to do as usual is to use the link that we provided with this video. Ensure you use my referral link. All right, it will be added in this video. If you don't use my referral link, you would not be able to get this particular bonus. All right, so once you use my referral link, all you just have to do is to register an account with them. All right, and I'll be dropping their Telegram channel in my Telegram channel as well. So you have to join their Telegram channel as well before you can be able to get this particular bonus. All right, so after registering an account with them, as you can see, this is my account right here. You have to create a standard account. All right, so for those of you that are not watching this video carefully, you are going to miss out on this, because you don't want to make any mistake, so that you won't jeopardize you getting this account. All right, so just click on this menu button right here, and after clicking on that, you scroll right here and you click on trading account. After clicking on trading account, you click on this add right here, because once you register an account to them, they are going to create a demo account for you, and that's not what we want. All right, so click on add trading account right here, and right here you select live account. All right, and after selecting live account, click on continue, and right here you remove it from contest and you add standard account. All right, so after clicking on that standard account, then you click on create account. You see that I will not be allowed to create the account, as you can see, because I already have the account. All right, so you cannot be able to get this bonus twice, you can only get it once. So after creating a standard account, then you can move to the next step, which is getting the bonus. All right, now to get the bonus, just click on the menu button right here, and after clicking on the menu button, you scroll down until you find something like bonuses right here and click on it. All right, so I want you to know that after creating a live account, this is the kind of message you'll be getting from them. This is kind of message, no credentials and all. All right, so after clicking on bonuses, then you scroll down till you find something like this, and you click on the claim bonus right here, as you can see, and you select the account you created the other time, and you click on the claim bonus, and as you can see, bonus claimed successfully. Now I know many of you might be wondering how you can trade this account. Well, let's go there. So to be able to trade the account, just head over to the menu button again, and after getting to the menu button, then you click on charts right here, and after clicking on charts, it is initializing already. So as you can see, if you click on positions right here, this is our equity right here. All right, and as you can see right here, our equity is right there, and our credit is also there. All right, so as you can see, no position opened. So if you want to trade, you can trade right here on this platform. All right, and as you can see, they have different pairs on the platform, on the trading platform. All right, and I believe you can also get their app. All right, as you can see right here, you can download their app by just clicking on download app right there. All right, so this is how you can get this particular bonus. Now talking about the terms and conditions, the terms and condition is very simple to meet. The minimum withdrawal is $15 and the maximum withdrawal is also $15. All right, this is just for you to be able to start trading. All right, if you can grow this $10 to $15 and you can be able to withdraw, then you can grow from your $10 to any amount you want to grow it to, and you can keep withdrawing from that. All right, now not only that, as you can see, this is their Telegram platform. All right, as you can see right here, this is their Telegram platform. You have to trade at least 5 standard lots. All right, trade 5 standard lots, and also you can see these are the things that are not allowed. No EA bots, As you can see right here, everything right here is not allowed. All right, so this is how you can get this particular bonus. All right, this is how you can get it. And don't forget that you must open standard accounts only. All right, standard accounts only. So this is everything you need to know about this particular bonus. Trade 5 standard lots, withdraw up to $15 and the minimum of $15 as well. Alright, I hope you can make good use of this particular video. Don't forget to like the video, comment if you are able to get yours or not, and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can keep getting updates from me. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.